Hello, it's Mr. Paul with another YMCA STEM project. And what we have today, we're making is a catapult. Yes, it's a simple machine, and we were doing a little bit of chemistry in the last unit. Now we're going to do a little bit of physics. And what you'll need for the experiment today, we're going to work on is popsicle sticks. In size, it doesn't matter. If you got popsicles that are in the freezer, you're going through them, collect them all and save them up. You need about 12. That's what we're going to work on today. And along with that, you need just 3 simple rubber bands. And if you don't have rubber bands, maybe you have hair ties, something that we can pull the material and popsicle sticks together. All right, that's it. And then you need something to launch with our catapult. All right, so I found this in the drawer. It's a little puff ball here, or a pom-pom, and you could use anything. These little structured up piece of paper, some tin foil, whatever you can find in the drawer. Next, you'll need some adhesive. Now, I did find this little bit of green masking. I don't know what that was used for, but it's a weird color for masking tape we can use, but it'll work. We can also use a sticker folded over, anything that you have in that drawer that you can use it here to hold down a piece. So you need that. And then next, and all we need for this is just the cap. We don't need the bottle at all. So we have the cap. So what we're going to do is very simple. You're going to count out 10 of the 12 popsicle sticks. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe I hit a little bit more. Let me see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let me add an extra one here. We'll use 11. So we only need 2 other ones. And at one end, we are going to do fold over a few times that rubber band. It's somewhat tight. It holds those pieces together. And then you're going to take both of these, one of the 2 remaining popsicle sticks, and you're going to have one at the bottom here, and then the other one you're going to have right on top, right here. All right, so you're going to create this type of design. All right, and now what we're going to do is take our other rubber band, and we're going to rubber band this end together. And you can have it out far enough so it'll stay, and it'll open up like that. You want to create that distance down between both of the popsicle sticks. Do it a few times so it's nice and tight. Depending on how big a rubber band is, it'll depend how many times you got to turn it around. So it's tight, stays right there. And then adhere the other 2 together so these stay in place. Once, twice, there you go, nice and tight. Very simple, right? So we have this here. You can see that here. And then I'm going to take some tape here, or duct tape, fold it over. And if you have glue, you probably could do a little bit of paste or a glue gun if your parents would want to help you with this project. You do that, but works just as well. And stick that cap, tape on the cap, and then right here. And there you go. As you can see, we're going to create a little bit of resistance here and pressure to be able to launch this little pom-pom. So pull this down, let it go, and bam! There you go. Your catapult worked great the first time. And maybe you can make 2 and launch it against your siblings or friends or parents who can launch it into a certain distance or at each other. But if you use something soft, it's just fun. It's a little simple project. And there you go, another YMCA STEM project. Always give us feedback and put it out there. Other projects, how you did, how it turned out, and how you like the ideas we're coming up with and planning out there. Have a great day.